Did you know that over 55% of beginning music students quit in their first year? And when it comes to adults, even if it's beginning adults or it's long time playing adults, that number is even higher. And it's kind of a sad state of events, to be honest with you. So in this video, I want to go over those reasons. So let's get into it. No motivation is a big factor in giving up any hobby, whether it's music or art or even a sport, when you're no longer motivated to play that sport or play that instrument. I have several friends that have gone through a situation where they were in a garage band, so to speak, and they played out. They were semi-professional, and then COVID hit, and all the gigs dried up, and they weren't playing anymore. And a couple of buddies of mine who played drum set, they weren't playing. They tried to practice at home. They tried to learn some new things or whatnot, but that just wasn't enough for them to keep them motivated. So motivation is heavy. What keeps you going? What keeps you doing this? Now for me, I just like to learn. I like to learn new stuff on the drums. I teach music here at my school, and that's my motivation. I'm always playing. I'm always trying to learn, and I'm always trying to teach or whatnot. But I can understand that the motivation side of this, and it can get ugly. So try to stay motivated. Another reason that people might quit playing drums: health problems. Maybe you have a physical ailment. Maybe you have a mental ailment. Both are not fun at all. Maybe you suffered an injury from a car crash or something, or you fell off a bike, or like I said, maybe a mental disorder is ugly. You just can't get yourself to do it. It's an ugly thing. I don't really have a way out for that one. Physical, get to a doctor. Even mental, get to your doctor. Hopefully they can help you out, maybe prescribe something for it, or get you to see a therapist, either mental or physical therapist, and get you back on track to be able to enjoy music, to be able to enjoy playing drums again. So yeah, physical issues can really hamper wanting to play the drums, trust me. Age can be a big factor. I'm not young anymore. I'm in my 50s. I'm 56. And if it wasn't, I enjoyed doing this. I enjoyed doing YouTube. I had a stellar 30-year career as a professional musician. I got to do stuff and play with people that most people don't. A few famous musicians, and then having a stellar big show career here in Las Vegas. But I can tell you, I'm tired. I'm getting exhausted. I still love to play. I think I will always love to play. I'm not quitting anytime soon. I enjoy teaching. I do enjoy playing. I enjoy recording myself and all of that. That kind of keeps me going. Going back to the motivation part of this, that kind of motivates me. But age, maybe you're experiencing anything, hearing loss. That really takes it out of some people. It wasn't until the last couple of years that I've noticed some hearing loss over here. It isn't grand, but it's now noticeable. It's not going to stop me playing right now, and I'm trying to use earplugs whenever I can, or in-ear monitors or whatnot. But maybe just hearing loss, or just physical loss. I also just came across in the last couple of months some tennis elbow issues, Doesn't affect my playing. I don't feel it when I play, but picking things up in certain fashions or whatnot is really painful. So I'm trying to get that taken care of. Plantar fasciitis. That's a new thing for me too. So I'm trying to work through that and strengthen up my foot or whatnot. Hasn't stopped me from wanting to play, but it does a lot of people. And if that's the case and you're older or whatnot, go see somebody about it. Get some help and get back in the game if you can. Not having enough time is a big one for adults. You are an adult. You have work you have to do. If you're not a professional musician, you have work you have to do. You probably have a family, wife and kids. You get home, say you have a 9 to 5, you get home 6 o'clock at night, you have dinner, you want to play with your kids for a while. You are exhausted. Yeah, a lot of my friends who were not professional musicians, but were musicians and had fun doing it on the weekends or whatnot, they gave up. Life got in the way. There wasn't enough time. They were exhausted. You get home at the end of the day and no, they didn't actually want to play. Me, on the other hand, I'm that guy that I'm exhausted and I want to get my mind out of the day. Drumming helps me out. Maybe it helps you out too. You know, that's awesome. But yeah, age and time and having, you know, to deal with life and everything, it's a struggle. It is a struggle. So many people end up quitting playing music, drums, whatever. And that's kind of sad, but I understand that too. Hopefully, you can find a way out of that and give yourself a little bit of time to play some drums and just get your yayas out and get away from the day. So get behind that kit. Get behind that kit anyway. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Or if you have kids, teach your kids how to play drums. That's some motivation. But maybe they don't want to, but if your kid does show interest, hey, you and your son or daughter can have a moment together playing drums, getting back into it. Try that. All right, folks, down in the comments section, have you quit and come back to it? Have you quit and you just like checking out YouTube drummers or whatnot because it still kind of excites you? Have you found a way to not quit? Have you been in a place where you mentally are exhausted and you're thinking, I need to quit because I just can't do it anymore, but you found yourself coming back to it successfully? Let me know down in the comments section. And if you're getting something out of my videos, folks, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell. Check out a couple of these two videos over here. And until the next time, take care.